Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to convert Google Forms into PDF. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Chrome browser and I just go to Google Forms over here in a Google Apps. Just scroll down, you will get a Google Forms. So you can create a different types of questions and you can get a response. So now I have created the beautiful questions over here with the sports. So there are plenty of questions will be there with the detailed things. So I just want to take this one as a PDF and I want to convert into PPT or Word. What I have to do here, simple and easiest tip I just want to share with you. These question I want to take as a print a copy and I should give it to the students. What I have to do here, so this is my question, so this is my Google form. So on your right hand side corner you will find option called three dots, that is more. Just hit the button and just click a print option. Once you click a print option, if you have a printer connected with your systems or laptop, means it will show you a printer option is a designation. So just choose this one as a save as a PDF. So you can see the preview of this, your name of the students and contact, gender, everything, so that the people can print and give their inputs from the physical copy. So these are the models. So you can add the questions with the checkbox or buttons, everything. You can have this one as a things. So you can change as a Q&A model or any types of model. I just want to save this one as a PDF file. Automatically it will save you as a PDF file. So sports Google form, I just click here to save. Yes, my PDF is ready to save as a PDF format. So I can print as a things for my easy way. So if I want to take a response as a PDF, just click here to response. There will be a summary, questions and individual will be there. So individual forms, if you want to take a copy of the PDF, just click here to print respond. Automatically it will show you individual response will be in a PDF format. Or if you want to say take as a questions, you want to take a question as a PDF, you just click here for the print option to make a question as a PDF. Or you want to stick entire details as a summary as a PDF, just click here for the print option to get an entire PDF as a printing option. As you see here, simple and easiest way you can print and make a PDF copy of this your things. So I can show you the PDF format which I have downloaded in a Google form. So simple and easiest way I can able to download and give a physical copy of my students regarding the PDF format of my Google forms, so that it will be easy for me. So sports Google forms already, so I can check it out and I can open as a PDF, or if I just right click on that and open as a Word document also, it will be convert as a Word document. What I have to do here, simple and easiest way, just close this button, just right click and just click here to open as a Word document. It will change as a Word document. As just click here open as a Word document or any types of a format you want. You can just choose, means choose another app or any other things, automatically it will list it out. So you can open as a Word or Notepad or anything, just choose the format and automatically it will convert into a Word format. So simple and easiest way you can check it out your Google form into PDF, PDF into Word. You can convert and change the question and you can give it to your students. So use this option to create a beautiful forms and convert into PDF and make your physical copy. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe to my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.